The pigeon. Often dismissed as a nuisance, this humble bird is a testament to adaptation. From the bustling streets of London to the vibrant plazas of Rome, the pigeon has made the city its own. They thrive on our discarded scraps, their beaks pecking at crumbs and seeds with an almost mechanical efficiency. Their nests, often precarious structures tucked away on ledges and rooftops, are a testament to their resourcefulness. The pigeon is a marvel of urban evolution, a constant reminder that nature finds a way even in the most unexpected of places.